Jeff White from White's. Today I'm pleased to say that we're now getting some stock movement coming through. This is the new 370. It has the Kawasaki engine now on it. And anyway, we have a 570 in stock. We've got a few more machines coming through now. So in the States they are catching up slowly but surely. But yeah, it's just good to see that the movement of the new machines finally at last. So there is definite big improvement from the supply point of view. But we've got a lot of good quality second-hand equipment in stock at the moment. Some 370s, there's a nice 650 Everest here as well. So, but anyway, at last we've got some stock movement. So any interest in the new machines, give us a ring. And a lot of them that were pre-deposited have been accounted for, but there are others coming through. All right, thank you.